Hey great people, welcome to Forever's Guide. How you guys doing? Thanks for tuning in. Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I am excited to share a Christmas scrapbook idea inspired by the beautiful story of Jesus. This scrapbook combines creativity, learning, and faith, making it very perfect for families, kids, or anyone who wants to remember the true meaning of Christmas. Are you ready to explore this book together with me? Okay, please do not only watch alone, also share to your kids and students. This scrapbook is more than decorations and colors. It tells the story of love, hope, and salvation even as you look through this. Christmas is not just about gifts, but about the birth of Jesus, and this scrapbook helps us reflect on that story in a simple but meaningful way. Okay, so as you can see, I use Christmas colors like red, green, gold, and white, which was my main colors where I told my students to work on. Each page includes Christmas vocabulary words such as angel, star, manger, shepherd, peace, joy, and love. You can see them as we go through or flip through these pages of this beautiful book. These words help children and learners understand the story while enjoying creative process. The scrapbook starts with vocabulary, as you can see. Okay, it starts with vocabulary. So we're going to be looking at those vocabulary such as stockings, poinsettia. We have ornament over there. Yeah, we have Santa's sleigh dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. So I was asking my student, does Santa drive a car? Yes or no? Santa doesn't drive a car, right? Santa rides on a donkey. So the car of Santa is called sleigh. So that is a sleigh. Okay, so those are the symbols of Christmas. There are many of them. So we continue looking at that. We have bell, we have Santa himself. We also have the Christmas tree, which is the main of it all. Okay guys, so now we have a surprise in this book. As you can see, open. Are you ready? Yay! It's a beautiful crafted Christmas tree. Oops! Look at this book, guys. Just tell me in your heart. Don't be stingy with your appreciation. Tell me, isn't this book beautiful? Hey, God, Jesus. Look at that Christmas tree. Look at the idea with the star on it, the ornament at the corner. Look at that. So beautiful, right? Give this book a thumbs up in the comment section if you really enjoy the admiration of it all. Yes, so if you can, as we can see, the Christmas tree in the middle of that, and we have Santa Claus. So you can see the idea. Can you see? You guys will look at this book carefully, guys, so that when you are instructing your student to come out with, they will also know what to produce. So that's the reason why I'm showing every part. I'm taking my time to show every section so that you get the idea. So okay, like guys, let's go to the next part of it. Here comes the story of Jesus. These people are Buddhists. So when bringing lessons like this that has to talk with the story of Jesus, it gives them a better understanding, okay? Not a boring way, but in a very relaxed, fun, and interesting manner. That's why we need to engage books like this in our learning as teachers. Okay, guys? So you will take your time. If you watch through this video, you can pause it and read the story of Jesus. So, giving a summary of the story of Jesus, like from his birth, the Scrabble starts with Mary and Joseph's journey to Bethlehem, the humble birth of Jesus in a manger, and the angels bringing good news to the shepherd. It also shows the star that guided the wise men Each page shares a small part of the story, making it easy to follow and remember. So it's just a summary, guys. So you can take your time, pause it, and read through the story of Jesus' birth. Now let's flip to the next page. What makes this scrapbook really special is that it brings a story, the Christmas story, to life. It's perfect for storytelling, teaching children, or even quiet family moments during the holiday season. Homemade project like this create memories that last. Now remember that I always tell my students that they should give me five ask a question and answer, and also five sentences. So in this page we just flipped, you can see the five questions and answers. For example, let's look at that. What day is Christmas? What is the Christmas color? Whose birthday is Christmas? Who gives Christmas gifts? You see the answer, Santa Claus. Where was Jesus born? Bethlehem. So that is this. Just imagine. Look at this book, guys. It is loaded. It is loaded. This gives the student better understanding. Now, the omitted one part in this book, which is just the sentences, but I knew they assumed that giving a question and answers, the answer automatically stands as these five sentences. But that's what I actually wanted for them, was to give me question and answer in one section, and another section is another set of sentences. But however, I still gave them a great points because they did a good job here, guys. They did a good job, just exactly as I instructed them. So guys, looking through the book one more time, I would like you to stick keenly looking at the paper that was used. Is the hard type. You see the hard type that you can also use to come out with something like this. Just imagine looking at this book, guys. Isn't this amazing? You can tell your students or children to produce something like this and put them in your house or home library. When other kids come to visit you, your children will go to their house or home library and look at this book, we study, and we'll just enjoy fun while learning. Isn't this a brilliant, amazing idea? It's a must for you to have. Share this video, share this to teachers, share this to your students, the ones you're doing tutorial with. Share it with them. They will love ideas like this. Now, I would love to end by saying, if you love this Christmas book, scrapbook idea, feel free to try it with your family once again, or your student. I am still emphasizing. Okay, guys, let me know in the comments which page you like the most, or your thoughts about this book. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative and meaningful ideas. Wishing you all a joyful and blessed Christmas in advance. Thank you guys for watching. See you. Bye.